check on YouTube and then we can start working on this. Okay, hopefully, yes, we are live on YouTube, and I just want to change this. Okay, that's working. I think I forgot to change the studio YouTube content live, then say edit, and we'll do to save. Okay, everything is up and running. Let me just paste this link here. Okay, if you guys don't remember, we were working on if you guys don't remember, we were working on Polymarket Indexer, writing a Polymarket Indexer, and we were taking a reference of Polymarket subgraph and okay, open anything. Hopefully, you guys can see this. Okay, we are working on this part, right? We did this, and now we want to do this part, but it has a function that computes the wallet. So transaction relayed. I want to check the event, because if you see remember this part, we have proxy creation and transfer event. So I don't know what event is this transaction relayed that we want to check. Also, I guess we first should check schema. Okay, it's relay hub, transaction relayed, and that's this. Cool. So let's find relay hub address. Uh, I don't want this popping up every time. Relay hub. This is the only relay hub that I can find. We can find. Let's create a new. Let me copy this. We'll do relay hub and change this. No, relay hub.ts. Okay, let's create that file. Relay new file relay hub.ts, and next let me let's go back to no, copy the start block first. Oh, we haven't changed the start block for everything, so let's do that. Start block this. We also have this, right? We need to change for all. So start block, and for this, for Polymarket, it is, yeah. If I remember correctly, I want to I have I want to this sorry I want to ask this question to the team, like why we need start block here and also here. What happens if this is like 10 million and this is 5? At that point, doesn't anything happen there? Because if we don't know what's happening, that's bad. And I just want to check what's up with that. Embed. Okay, you guys can go to this page, notes, check out here. Okay, you guys can check the notes. Uh, I have put link in the comments. Let me just add those questions in questions. What happens when parent start block is parent start block is higher than the one in any child uh, child field or any in nested field. Okay, there is some issue. Okay, uh, definitely. I definitely not working, and that's for sure. Okay, sorry about that. I know I might have disconnected. Okay, here, go check the Notion. I'm adding question there. 10. Okay, no, that's 5, and I want like here to be 10. Also, is it a valid? Okay, no, you can't use separator. 5 million, 19 million, and 3. Okay, we have to copy this at the top. I don't want to take any chances, so that's why I'm doing that. Once I understand the details about how this start block works, we can modify however we want. Till then, we'll take the safer option, which is having everything here. Sorry, having the lowest block at the top, and then rest should work. Like there won't be any issue. Okay, now we have relay hub. We want to change the event. Okay, transaction relayed. I want to add the names. Let's go to ABIs and relay hub. Let's find transaction relayed. Okay, first is relay. Okay, I think let me just copy this and I'll just ask ChatGPT convert this to Solidity event. Okay, a single line. I want single line and this should work. Let me copy this part. Okay, it just added few things and we are good to go. Let's do PNPM code gen. I know you might not be able to see this. Okay, you should be able to see this now. I did like PNPM code gen in ran that command in the terminal. I'll start using this only so you guys can have, yeah, PNPM code gen. Now do import relay hub. Next I think wallet. Go down here, get our create signer. Okay, let's keep this. This works. Now we just need to change this to, okay, it's proxy. No, wallet type has two things, right? Proxy. Okay, question here. We have from. Okay, it can't be from. Let me open relayhub.ts and see. From to signer will be from wallet address. Okay. We want to check proxy wallet. Let's open constants. Where are the constants? Constants, common, common, and go to constants. Okay, they might be in the index. No, I'm pretty sure they should be exposed somewhere. Pre-compute address, maybe in the address we can find them. No, that's not the case. Okay, also I guess I can do like 1s. If you want to do github.dev, you need to sign up. So, and I'm not going to sign up here on this browser. Anyway, let's try to okay, contracts. There are multiple. Okay, anyway, we'll find this. Let's go. Okay, we should also create new folder, common, and constants.ts, const export const, or yeah, const equal to whatever wallet we have, and we'll do export. Okay, works. Let me copy this, and we need to go to networks.yaml. Okay, this wallet or this address. So it's saying ignore if not a proxy wallet, ignore ignore if not a proxy wallet factory call. So equals to, I don't understand it technically. So, but I do know what they want to do, which is if event dot params dot to is equal to proxy wallet dot lowercase to lowercase. If it is, then I guess just return. Okay, this works. And if we don't return, we need to compute the wallet. That's the difficult part now, because getting that will be somewhat difficult, or not difficult, just tedious, because we need to modify the code. No, we need to add additional code. We don't technically need to modify anything, or maybe we have to. Who knows? Um, let's go to common utils and compute proxy wallet address. That's good. Compute proxy wallet address. This one. Then it's saying signer packed. Then salt is. Okay, not sure what this is doing. So we need to understand this part and get it also get it right, not just understand that. So what's happening here? I have signer address in lowercase. If they are using, okay, are they using lowercase? I'm not sure how this is, how this is, what this returns. So let's see. I have signer address in lowercase. If question, I have signer address in lowercase, and if this function gets signer in checksum form, will the output change? Okay, signer is already a uint 8 array. Okay, that we can see. Address this type, I guess this type is different. Okay, we need to understand the type. Anyway, core question was lowercase versus checksum address. If signer address is lowercase or letters signed in checksum form, will the output change? Short answer no. Long answer, as long as you are hashing bytes, not string. Okay, how to convert a string address to uint 8 array. Okay, this is pretty interesting. It's just showing us everything that's happening here. It's showing us everything that is happening here, and we might need to check. Yeah, Okay, give me a minute. I'm just trying to understand what we should do. Because yeah, this part, this is, I'm pretty sure we don't have this integrated, or maybe we do. Let's see. Okay, no. Okay, no, it's not integrated here. Implementation. Oh, implementation address. Okay, that's static. This is static. And if we go to those constant templates, address from string. Okay, can you modify this these functions to use VM, and all the all the addresses will be given as string. Okay, type address. I don't know how to pass that. Anyway, let's add this. We can do pnpm install VM, and it should install that for us. Okay, that works. Remove this constants. Now we need common new folder, utils. Yes, utils. Next. Okay, now copy relative path, new file. Okay, this is done. Let me import these things. Okay, this works. Now we'll do this. Signer must be checksummed or lowercase 0 string. Okay, so this is using VM instead of what are this? Sorry. Yeah, return string in compute function. Okay, and I guess I'll just change everything. Okay, there was no need to do that. Anyway, can we, let's go back, not here, relay hub, and it's saying const wallet address equal to compute address, and we'll do event from proxy wallet, and okay, remove this. What's the error here? Okay, can we do as 0x string? Okay, const proxy implementation, and we want same thing, proxy implementation. Yes, in the networks, copy it. Okay, that works. Let's go, and we also need to import this at the top. Okay, that worked. Next, what we want is, what do we want? Let's check here. We get the computer address. Now we want to check if it's available. We can do wallet address. So get or create, and it sets. No, I don't think last time we didn't do that, right? Okay, we did do the same thing. Okay then, and yeah, I guess that's about it. Also, I do think we don't want to do this. Get or create. We can do get, then if else. That way, let me think. Yeah, we can do get and use if statement. So there aren't that many writes to database, because that might slow us down if the number goes way up. That's why I I want to do like get, copy all this, like remove this also, and this. We can do if not wallet, const new wallet equal to id wallet address, and paste this, move this up top, and use new wallet. Okay, so this will prevent us, this will save us few db calls, db writes. Yeah, I think I'm doing correct. My assumption or thought process is correct, but I might be wrong also. So just keep that in mind. Let me remove this. Okay. Okay. This will save us few dB writes. Okay. This won't because we are doing proxy creation, right? Here I don't know. I do know this one is only for when a proxy is created or a wallet is created, but relay hub is not that thing, not that event. There is much more to transaction relayed event, and this is a particular event for wallet creation. So there won't be. Sorry, let me think. Let me think. What I wanted to say. There will be a wallet every time. Okay. There won't be a wallet every time in the DB if this event is when this event is indexed, but I can't say for sure for this particular event. So yeah, let me just check. Okay, cool. That's okay. We have done wallet subgraph completely. I'm pretty sure. Let me update this part. This indexer is work in progress, and you should consider. Okay, so do not don't use this indexer in production. Just use this as a reference. A reference. This indexer indexes all the. Okay, no, this is an indexer built to index events emitted from or contracts related to Polymarket. This is used, sorry, this is built by taking reference, okay, reference from Polymarket subgraph repo. Now we'll add tasks here, tasks, or we'll do migrate subgraphs. First is wallet subgraph, second is PNL subgraph, Third is sports oracle subgraph. Fifth, okay, third. Fourth is order book subgraph OI. OI. OI means, I guess that's open interest. And then FPMM subgraph. Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah, this one is done. Then do tasks. Migrate all subgraphs. Validate data coming from, no, validate data with Polymarket Indexer. I don't think this is a good idea in any scenario, because you need to use a lot of like RPC calls or hyperindex points. So I'll check with the team and what should we do. But I don't think that's a good idea. Like if we are not okay, validating data, it's not an issue. I can definitely ask the team and get the data for this, or consume a lot of hypersync resources to just validate things, and hopefully everything works. But yeah, or I can just write tests, who knows. Anyway, now that we have done one part, let's check the next one, and hopefully it should be small. Okay, okay, sports oracle, that's good. Let's do, let's say sports oracle is work in progress. Yeah, I just want to rewrite the readme. Or words used in. Okay, let's see. Give me a second. Okay, let me paste this, remove this part. I don't like, I genuinely don't like this. Okay, no. Let's go at the top, remove this. Indexer is still a work in progress. Do not use it in production. It is meant only as a reference. This indexer is built to index events emitted from contracts related to Polymarket. It is created by taking a reference from Polymarket subgraph repository. Okay, let me open that repo. repo. Okay, yeah. Let's do git init. I'll create a repo on NVO org. So Polymarket Indexer. Okay. Index Polymarket data. Polymarket events with HyperIndex. Okay. Polymarket. I can always change these things. So yeah, git add, git commit dash m migrated. Okay. Wallet subgraph migration completed. So this part is done. Okay, cool. Let me open the indexer here. Sorry. Yeah, you guys can check the indexer. Here we have created this. Okay, cool. Now we move on to sports oracle. Also, this will be a very big indexer. Just keep that in mind. Like, you are indexing a lot of contracts and one of the biggest application that is out there right now. So yeah, just keep that in mind. And when working with this won't be a small pro. I already knew that, but this is not a small project in any scenario. Okay, now as I said, we are going to work on sports sports oracle. Get market type, money line spread total. Get these are just simple events that return some. Okay, 0 1. That's bad. Anyway, let's see. Game ordering. Go here. Where is it? It's used in this. And ordering, we need to look at the schema to see game and then game ordering string. Also, I just remembered that I don't know what data this returns. The indexer, when we use enum in type, does it return 0 1 or the name? That's the question. when I use enum in GraphQL entity and fetch that from fetch, fetch that from GraphQL API of indexer, do I get name of, okay, I guess I can just do like pnpm dev. Why am I even asking this question? It just run this and everything should work. Hopefully, hopefully everything should work, because there can be a lot of issues. Okay, you see, quick, like this is very quick. Anyway, let's stop this because don't know. Yeah, I don't want to consume a lot of resources. That's open playground. Stop this. Go to wallet and wallet type. Okay, we'll do query get wallet get lit. Okay, get random wallets or just get wallets. We'll do wallet, then limit 10. I want ID, balance, last transfer, wallet type, signer, and created at. Okay, we don't need this part. Let's, okay, for some reason there are no wallets. Like like I said, you can't. This is a big project and there can be a lot of issues that we might not see. And also, there is always a possibility my idea is not good. Sorry, my logic is not great. Or, sorry, my logic is not correct. If that's the case, you won't see. Also, I think, let me hide my VS Code. And yes, as you can see, I'm not using API key. So maybe that's why I'm getting throttled here. So keep in mind, create a, sorry, create an API key and use it. If not, you'll, there is a rate limit with token. There isn't a rate limit. So yeah, okay. Let me go here, and I just want to do like context.log. Oh yeah, if I just want to check it out, what I can do is I can hide all of this. Okay, I need factory, and USDC is fine, I guess. No, That's also not fine. Comment this out. Use this. Go here and run it again. And at least one logic, this this part is correct. Yep, it is. Okay, as you can see, we are getting, there was no reason to ask. We are getting safe, 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 safe. Yes. Proxy creation, if not DB. Okay, let's go to Relay Hub and open con. PNPM code gen. Just want to regenerate the types. And I want to log like console.log, and I just want to see what events it's relay hub, relay hub, transfer relayed event. Oh, okay. Then do console.log event and USDC. Okay, also I think we should use like TUI terminal UI off equal to true. Okay, sorry about that. Yeah, terminal UI off equal to true, and that should show us something. That should show us the logs. Okay, that's pretty cool. Let's stop that. Stop that. We have, I think we are messing up the logic of Relay Hub, and that's what's happening. Give me a second, I'll be back. Yeah, I think we are messing up logic somewhere here. Let's see, console.log. Okay, no. Return returns early. Computed wallet, and we'll do, okay, let's rerun it and see what's happening. Returns early. Okay. Is there anything else? Okay, I guess I want to do like, nvo.log, and it just writes to that, and we'll see. Okay, cool. Stop this. Okay, that's not good. Okay, cool. This is good enough. I don't know. Okay, can I do like control F, returns? No, all this part is what, that's what getting, that part is hiding the actual logs. Okay, also understood. This should be OFF. Now we'll do nvo.log. Stop this. Go here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's stop this. Okay, why is it not adding any values? We can go back and see. Okay, for some reason this is not syncing. Also, this will be, the issue is the APIs, I guess. We'll do pm nvo stop. Yeah, it clears everything, and we'll again do pnpm dev. Let me see what's happening. Okay, let's stop this. Great. Returns early, returns early. How many times do we get this? And how many times do we get this? Okay, that's why it was not getting created, because it was a relay transaction. And yeah, we figured out why there were no wallets at the start. But cool. I guess here, if we do undefined, if not undefined, do this. If not undefined, do this. Okay. So no USDC transfer is getting logged, but it's getting indexed, which is not great. But okay, we'll see that this like improvement on this tomorrow, and maybe I'll do a longer stream tomorrow, like 2 hours, because I might be out on Sunday. So let's see. If you like this, final few things. If you like the stream, do subscribe to the channel. I want to get 200 by the end of the month. If you are looking to index any contract, EVM contract on any chain, go check out nvo.dev, which is the best resource for indexing and getting blockchain data. If you have any questions, ping me on Twitter or go to NVO Discord and just tag Nikhil, that you can find my account there. And lastly, I don't know. See you guys here tomorrow, same time, and you already know the topic. Cool. Have a nice day. Bye.